What if I told you? The next big thing after smartphones isn't a phone at all. Imagine checking your messages, watching videos, taking photos, navigating streets, or even answering calls without ever touching a screen. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, the future's already here, and it's sitting right on your face. The world's biggest tech companies have finally done it. They've turned ordinary glasses into powerful AI devices that can completely replace your phone. This isn't about style anymore. It's about revolution. These glasses see what you see, hear what you hear, and even understand what you want before you say it. From Meta's Ray-Ban to Apple's Vision Pro and the mysterious Quark Glasses, the race to replace your phone is heating up faster than ever. We've reached the point where your screen no longer needs to fit in your hand, because now it lives in your eyes. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of next-gen smart glasses, 5 groundbreaking devices that are pushing mobile technology beyond limits. We'll explore how each one merges artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and real-world usability to create something truly extraordinary. This isn't about what's coming next. It is about what's already here, quietly transforming how we live, work, and communicate. So, before you unlock your phone again, ask yourself one question. What if the next time you wanted to call, record, or browse, all you had to do was blink? The future of smartphones isn't in your pocket anymore. It's right in front of your eyes. The Metaverse smart glasses are the perfect mix of fashion and futuristic tech. Imagine answering calls, recording videos, or live streaming directly from your glasses, all hands-free, with built-in speakers, microphones, and Meta AI voice commands. They let you chat, search, and capture moments instantly. You can listen to music, control smart devices, or even ask questions just by speaking. What makes them powerful is the seamless connection with Facebook and Instagram, making your social life truly instant. It's like having your phone, camera, and assistant all packed into one stylish frame that looks like an everyday pair of Ray-Bans. Xreal Air 2 transforms your glasses into a massive virtual screen. Connect them to your phone or laptop, and suddenly you're watching a 200-inch floating display anywhere you are. It's built for entertainment, gaming, and productivity, replacing your traditional screens with immersive visuals right in front of your eyes. Light, comfortable, and sharp, Theater offers 108p quality and spatial audio that surrounds you, whether you're watching Netflix on the bus or editing videos in midair. This is a new kind of freedom. It's not just watching content, it's living inside it, without ever needing to touch your phone. The Vuzix Blade 2 focuses on practicality, designed for work, business, and real-world use. These glasses bring the power of AR to your daily tasks. Imagine engineers, doctors, or warehouse workers seeing real-time instructions, live data, or video feeds directly on their lenses. The transparent display lets you stay aware of your surroundings while getting instant information hands-free. It's like having a digital assistant whispering step-by-step guidance right in your ear. Vuzix doesn't aim for flashiness. It's about pure functionality, showing how AR can enhance productivity, safety, and efficiency in ways your smartphone simply never could. Apple's Vision Pro, isn't just a gadget. It is an entirely new platform. With its ultra-high-resolution display, hand tracking, and spatial computing, it turns your environment into a digital workspace. You can open multiple apps, watch movies, FaceTime, or browse the web, all floating in mid. It reads your eyes, follows your gestures, and feels almost alive. Vision Pro takes the power of a MacBook, iPhone, and TV, and puts it into one futuristic headset. It's heavy on innovation and price, but it shows where Apple thinks the future is heading. A world where screens no longer exist, only experiences. Then come the Quark Glasses, light, minimal, and incredibly smart. Unlike bulky headsets, they look like regular eyewear, but work like a personal AI companion. Powered by voice recognition and real-time data, they can translate languages, display directions, identify faces, or even summarize what you are looking at. Their main strength lies in simplicity. They merge AI and augmented vision in the most natural way possible. No screens, no distractions. Just seamless intelligence guiding your world. Quark isn't competing with phones. It's replacing them. These glasses don't just show information. They see, think, and interact. Just like you. So here we are, standing at the edge of a new digital revolution. These 5 smart glasses aren't just cool gadgets. They're the beginning of a world where your phone slowly disappears. From Meta's social connectivity to Apple's digital universe and Quark's pure AI intelligence, each one shows a glimpse of what is coming next. The way we communicate, work, and see the world is about to change forever. Soon, your messages, maps, and memories won't live inside a screen. They'll live right in front of your eyes. The question is, are you ready to weather the future? Because the next generation of technology isn't in your hand anymore. It's on your face.